Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you some chords and strumming that sound a little bit reggae. Now, this didn't come from any song that I've heard. It's just something that sounds a little bit reggae and it's easy to strum and play. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. The chords we'll be playing are A minor, G, a D minor like this, or D minor 7, and F major. Here's how we're going to do our strumming. We're going to go down, down, up, down, up. Okay, we might do a little muting in between. Okay, so it's like that. So here we go. On the one beat, we're going to go down on the chord like that, and then we'll do the rest of our strumming pattern. So and after a little bit of practice, it should sound like this. That's it for now. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.